Look it all down. Everything. This is all down. Everything. That is on my sister's house. Let me get over here. 24-inch tree in diameter, gone. We don't know where it went. Wait, yeah we do, right there. Look at all this. It's tore it all to pieces. Look at the base of that tree. Ripped it straight out of the ground. This is crazy. Crazy stuff. From what I'm thinking, it went over that hedge and it was like coming through here and went all the way over through there and went down on that way because it's like a clear path. Let me walk through here. It's pretty crazy at my house. Took some pictures from where the guys had already cut it down. I got mad. Not right. I hate my haircut. Don't make fun. And I just woke up. I'll just go this way. Can't even get in. Ugh.